Here's the 1967 Jaguar E-Type 2+2, beautifully restored. This car is really nice, beautifully done, finished up by a mark expert, and manual transmission. It's got the 4-speed, which is what you want. Beautiful, beautiful. I love it. 4.2 liter overhead cam, dual overhead cam, 6-cylinder. It really gets up and goes. It's got the triple carburetors, and this car moves out with alacrity and dispatch, as they used to say. So if you need the occasional extra passengers and want an E-Type, this is it. Stops really nice. This car is really fun to drive. Okay, we are going to start the car, key on, and there it is. Pressure very nice, temperature nice. It's got an aluminum fan, or aluminum radiator, electric fan. Gas gauge does work, tach works. Let's put it in first gear and drive away. Smooth clutch. Smooth shifter, all those synchros are in good order. The transmission is just nice, nice, nice. This whole car is just nice. Engine bay is just beautiful. We've got nicely enameled exhaust manifolds, aluminum radiator up front, triple carburetors, and just lovely. Let's walk around to the other side. And there's the air cleaner. And look how clean it is. It's just beautiful. Beautiful. Triple carburetors, all polished nicely. This is just great.